Oh boy, folks. She gonna get muddy today. Woo-wee. Welcome back, folks. I'm Jeff. Here we go on the Motion Sickness Express. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that to you guys, but I am gonna edit out the first half of this ride due to the crap video and audio, even though it was a riot and I almost ate pretty good right here.
Maybe some shit about.
Got like 5 of them.
What the f, dude? Just like the.
They're everywhere. Hey, how many people have caterpillars on them?
What's going on here?
He's got like loads of caterpillars on him. Let me see on your neck. There's more there. Where'd you go that we didn't?
Alright, back to the video. I should tell you guys where we are. We're out here at Tin Cup ORV Trail in Michigan. There is a 72-inch ORV trail here also, I believe, but currently we're riding the 24-inch single track ORV trail, even though this section here looks fairly wide. We had a good group here, a couple of fast movers, 2 strokes, 4 strokes, mixed bunch, and I love Tin Cup. This trail always delivers. It's kind of a medium skill-wise trail. I'd give it, like, as far as the hardest trail in Michigan being a 10, this is probably like a 5. It's like right in the middle. It's one of the easier single tracks. Still really fun, nice long climbs, not too technical. It's great. It also happened to be raining super hard for a few hours before we rode this day, and it just cleared up like super nice now in the video, and we got to ripping. So I was trying to push pace in this video here. I've been trying to ride a lot faster lately, but as you can see, some of these muddy ruts have a little bit different plans. People bailed out on this ride and decided not to ride because of the rain, and I really would say go ahead and ride in the rain. If you guys are, if that's something that's discouraging you, just go ahead and go for it, because you're going to learn some skills. You're going to get used to greasy terrain and slippery mud and puddles and sand, dirt. Everything's going to feel a little bit different, and you're just adding another skill set, to your bag there. You just got another trick in your bag you can pull out. You'll be a more advanced rider because of it, and those skills wash down to all of the other styles of riding. Also, street, dual sport, trail, they all kind of intermingle a little bit. All the techniques are somewhat interchangeable, and you learn and can add to any of those styles from any experience of riding. I'll say that the weather in our case turned out to be like amazing after the first, however long it was. And if we would have decided not to ride, we wouldn't have got any of this ride. And when we got back to the parking lot, everybody in the group was just like, man, I can't believe what a nice day it turned into, blah, 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 blah. But if we would have bailed, we would have missed all that, and all because, just a little bit of rain there. So it ain't going to hurt the dirt bikes. I'm just going to go ahead and recommend, if you guys get somewhere and you're at the trailhead and you're about to ride and it starts downpouring, go for it. Still, unless it's like some 10-hour thing or something, then maybe not, but I can't imagine that you're going to ride super far on a tank of gas, so I say go for it. You're not going to hurt the dirt bike. I'm not going to narrate this entire video. It's only got 6 minutes or so left, so I just tried to get all the highlights from Tin Cup. I love this trail. Had a riot riding it this time. Super flowy, as you can see here through the trees. Really enjoyed the ride. Was with a super cool group of guys. I really appreciate them inviting me on this ride. And I think that's about it. If you guys are enjoying the videos, liking what I'm doing, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you would. You can check out the Instagram and the Facebook. It's AdventureJeff269 as well. And I'm trying to stay as active on those as possible. But, it's not my full-time job yet. It's not my full-time job yet, folks. So maybe I'll get this riding thing down, this editing thing down, figure out what's going on, and hit that magic formula, and really start delivering some really cool videos. If you guys got ideas, what you want to see, comment below. Drop a comment on the Facebook page or whatever. I try to be as responsive as I can. So go ahead and drop those comments wherever you want. I'll respond ASAP. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody, and keep an eye out for the next video. I got a couple bangers coming your way.
What the hell? New boo goofing.